IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you think mirrors are necessary in a house? Band 5 answer.
Yeah, I think mirrors are necessary because we need to see ourselves before going out. It's also useful for cleaning or, like, checking our clothes.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Some hesitation and limited development of ideas. Response is short and simple. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Necessary, see ourselves, useful, lacks variety. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences, limited range. Pronunciation, clear enough to be understood, but lacks natural rhythm. Typical of a band 5. Communicates basic ideas with some effort. Limited flexibility. 7.5 answer.
Yes, I think mirrors are quite necessary in a house. Apart from personal grooming, they make rooms look brighter and more spacious. I also think they add a nice decorative touch if placed correctly.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Ideas are linked logically with cohesive devices, apart from also. Lexical resource uses a range of vocabulary, grooming, brighter, spacious, decorative touch. Grammar. Mostly complex sentences with minor errors, if any. Pronunciation, natural rhythm, and clear intonation. Typical of a band 7.5. Speaks fluently with good control of language and flexibility. Band 9 answer.
Absolutely. Mirrors serve both practical and aesthetic purposes in a home. On a practical level, they help people get ready and maintain their appearance. On an aesthetic level, they reflect light and create the illusion of space, which can completely transform a room's atmosphere.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless flow, fully developed and balanced ideas. Lexical resource, sophisticated vocabulary, aesthetic, illusion of space, transform, atmosphere. Grammar. Wide range of complex structures used accurately. Pronunciation, clear, natural, and expressive delivery. Typical of a band 9, fully natural, precise, and flexible use of English with excellent control. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.